Alright guys, so far it is a jackpot. Look at these. These are my favorite batteries, and almost every single pack has them. Yeah, there's a few oddballs. Very odd balls. Brown. I don't know, I'm pretty colorblind. This is like a brownish green maybe. Oh my god, focus. There we go. Weird batteries. Never run into these before. It's not like I'm an expert. Anyways, yeah, so we'll do a quick update. Nothing focuses on this camera. Alright, I may have created a Frankenstein. So I didn't like these guys. They were just ridiculous. So I did this. It's got one of them's destroyed, blown up. The other one works fine. So, but it's more than enough to handle it. My God, this stuff gets hot. Okay, so what did I do? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I took the cigarette lighter ones and I took them apart, and then I soldered them all together. And I put the LED light in there just to make it, you know, more apparent that I could die if I touch it. Not really, it's only 12 volts. You can't easily die from that, but yeah, it's very sketchy. I should definitely rebuild this thing now that I have a real use for it. Yeah, all the other videos still, you know, I'm very busy with work and I want to do a good job with these guys. For some reason my autofocus is messed up. Okay, so anyways, yeah, they're not, these are like these LII 500s. I'm not impressed, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just not impressed. I made a video comparing the Opus to the LII 500, and after using them for a while now, that one's okay. Yeah, just buy the Opus. Yeah, it's worth it. The extra money is worth it. If you live in the US, just buy an Opus 3100 or 3400. The compare video, I think I've uploaded it. I watched it again. I didn't like it, so I deleted it, and I think I may completely redo that entire video from scratch. I'm not happy with any of the footage at all. I might keep some of it, but you know, so that's like 4 hours down the drain at least of editing and filming, probably, but because I edited it pretty heavily and I still wasn't happy. But anyway, so yeah, this is just an update on these. So yeah, this is 50 of them sitting in here, 47. So yeah, there we go. My focus is working again. Come on, there we go. So these are the packs. They're all identical. They're all the same. So I've cracked open a few of them. Yep. Let's see. Oh, I don't know what I can and can't show. So you get to look at this. Just a sec. Alright, so you'll be able to see in the description and in the first comment of this video when I upload it that I made this battery page just talking about where to get these battery packs from. So yeah, and if anyone else in Ontario, I want to focus on just Ontario, but if anyone else finds an even better supplier, but these batteries are really good, so Yeah, but if you can find a better one, then this might be a good community page to join, and then we can all work together to find good sources and help and share and work together, which would be very nice. So, yeah. Alright, let's try and crack one of these open with one hand. I figured out how to crack these open really easy without damaging anything. And it's this strip here. I played around a lot. I don't know. So you basically grab it, and there's a 50-50 chance that the lip is on this side. Ooh, that is way off. This side or this side. So you have to, like, crank it. You do both sides. Crank, figure out, and then the whole thing just peels right off. Fuck. I wonder if this will work. I'm actually creating like between my chin. Yeah, see that way. Oh, this is hard to do. Yeah, like that. I hopefully got that. I don't know if I did. I'll have to double check. If not, then I'm gonna have to edit this, and I didn't want to. So yeah, just a sec. Okay, so yeah, once you get that, then you can peel this up and then try and get one side down. The problem is this guy here is in there securely, so you're gonna have to break that off too. Actually, no, there's an easier way. Okay, I got it off. I can't guarantee that you won't cut your hands up pretty good. But anyways, it'll be sitting in there, and then you just reef on it really hard. Like, try to be down at the base here, not up here, because then you'll damage the solder points, or the spot weld points. But yeah, down there, reef it, and these will break off, but it won't damage anything. You see those 3 groupings there? They'll break right off, and then you just have to clip this final main wire. You just clip that off with your wire cutters, and then you have a battery pack. And I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, hey, why don't you have like a tripod, you idiot? Well, I do. I do. It's right there. It's actually, I'm using some of the parts here. I'm doing my load test right now. And so far, what are we at? We are at 7.5 hours, and we're at over 3,000 watt hours, and we're still at 25 volts, so pretty good. With a 370 watt load and 414 watts from the batteries. So yeah, I'm time-lapsing it. It's pretty janky. No, I'm actually impressed with my skills. I used a wood screw and a bunch of, ooh, I cut myself pretty bad. That's the thing about processing batteries is you end up with a lot of cuts on your hands if you do it fast, or you put gloves on and then it slows you down a little bit. Anyways, yeah, it's like oh, this is actually nothing. That's easy. Like when I'm done doing like 100 of them, my whole hand is covered in cuts, so I should probably invest in some gloves. Anyways, once you have that, you just rip off the tape and clip. I found clipping using your wire cutters, you clip these things way out, like really fast, right off the bat. You clip as many of these guys as you can. There's so many variations to the exact same battery pack that, I don't know. So you just clip them and then you have to clip them again. It's a little annoying, but anyways, and then you get some really nice batteries. So yeah. Yeah, just, well, I wish this was a quick video, but it wasn't. But anyways, this is how you quickly tear them apart. You find that lip and go at her, so, yeah. And I have that community page, so if you live in Ontario, I encourage you, if you're really into this stuff, to create a community page of some kind of your own for your area, so that you and people in your area can connect and find these batteries together. You know, it's a good thing, you know. Work together. Don't be greedy. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think. Alright, bye.